good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Sonia Digulunan, 28 years old, single. I live in Taliktik, Cordon, Isabela. I have 2 brothers and 6 sisters. I am 7th child of the family, and I finished my college with a Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a helper to a couple with 1 child, age 5 years old, and I do household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, ironing, and I also work as a sales representative. My duties is to assist customers in their needs.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure the safety of the child, and when the baby is sick, I will check his body temperature, and I will inform my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my family, especially in financial, and earn money for my future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My brothers and sisters.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I keep myself busy in doing my duties and responsibilities.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. when my work is done, and usually wake up around 5 a.m. sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I keep myself calm while being patient when dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. We all clap hands together.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. Hope you will select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, and I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities with all my best. Thank you.
Okay.